welcome to my review of the Fantastic Four suit, printed and assembled by Zentai Zone. Let's get into it. This suit is really awesome. I think it's an underrated suit, and if you're a Spider-Man fan like me, remember, this is a Spidey suit too. Spider-Man appeared in the comic books wearing this suit with a bag over his head. I'm just gonna go over the features of this suit super quickly, and I'm not gonna waste any time on this review. It's basically a blue Lycra spandex Zentai suit. Very nice. This is printed on the upgraded Lycra spandex fabric, which I recommend you go for if you're ordering from Zentai Zone, because when you are wearing Lycra spandex and it gets caught on stuff, these little white woolly things come out of it, and this upgraded Lycra is way more durable. The other stuff isn't so durable, and you'll notice those woolies coming out really quickly in your costume. Even though they're not that noticeable from far away, it's still nice to have a costume that holds up really well. So once again, go for the upgraded Lycra, I suggest, and if you're ordering from Zentai Zone, be sure to use my discount code NINJA- for a discounted price at checkout. The suit is really nice. They sewed on a Fantastic Four logo, which was done really nicely, and I always recommend Zentai Zone, especially if you're building your own costume. I think Zentai Zone is great if you want to build your own costume, especially if you just want the Lycra suit to start off with, because they do a great job on stitching. They're really accommodating, they have good communication, and they have good services in general. They have a lot of patterns for suits available on their website. If you want to get a custom digital pattern though that was developed by another artist, they'll print it for you and they'll do a good job. So this Fantastic Four suit is one of their own patterns that's available on their website. This suit has some features on it which are more sleek and shiny. This rubbery black area here and the gloves. I like these black features, and they definitely up the quality of the suit a lot and make it a lot more eye-catching to people versus if it was just done with a digital pattern. It's nice to have these extra features sewed on, and sometimes I'm not a big fan of it, but in this case I think it worked out really well. So if you want a Fantastic Four suit, I think Zentai Zone is the way to go. This suit was cheap, it looks great, I have fun wearing it, and it's super comfortable. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments bar below. Be sure to check out my other nerdy videos and subscribe, because I have lots more nerdy stuff coming your way.